The Goonies and their culture. The Ogoni civilization, also referred to as the Ogonis, is a group of people who live in the southeastern senatorial district of Rivers State, Nigeria. They now number over 2 million and reside in a 404 square mile, 1,050 square kilometers, territory that they also refer to as Ogoni or Ogoniland. Religion and culture of the Ogoni, traditional marriage. The term marriage in the indigenous Ogoni culture is 2-2-wa. I-wa is the term used when a male is getting married, and I-dam when a woman is. It is regarded as an initiation-related rite of passage. It is a revered organization that is firmly rooted in Ogoni traditional faith. The Ogoni people hold marriage in high regard due to the sacredness connected to it. Like all other customary institutions, the Ogoni people consider marriage to be a Kawabari-ordained institution. The Supreme Being. This is due to the fact that it serves as an important yardstick for determining how responsible a man or woman is, in addition to being the acceptable structure that fosters the passage of time and the survival of kinship. As a result, the entire family, clan, and community should take this into consideration. Including the community of the ancestors, considers it their duty to uphold this duty and assist all members of the family and tribe in fully fulfilling it. Ikindaro, 2016. Therefore, marriage continues to be an essential, central, and necessary part of the social cycle of human existence for the Ogoni people, through which everyone is supposed to pass. So, one of the most significant institutions for the human species, its cultures, and its religious affiliations is marriage. The Ogoni use a person's marital state as a yardstick to determine how mature they are. This describes the rituals performed as part of the initiation process into the institution of marriage for young people who are ready for marriage and who have reached the appropriate level of maturity. The ritual's execution highlights the woman's transition from the father's spiritual authority to that of her spouse. It is a transfer of ownership that means the bride's family will no longer have control over her property, and her husband will politely assume the duties and obligations that her father once boasted about. This custom is not unique to the Ogoni people because the Yoruba also engage in a rite of crossing over that involves washing the wife's feet at the entrance to the husband's home. Oduyoyi, 2004. A man or woman is considered to have fully settled when he or she marries, as has been mentioned elsewhere. As it includes interpersonal relationships, with family, clans, and kin groups, intercommunal relationships, and intertribal relationships, marriage also forges powerful bonds and helps prepare people for the greater responsibilities of adulthood. Dzia, 2016. In addition to this, in Ogoni traditional marriages, children are highly cherished. In fact, the birth of a child signified the actual consummation of a sustained marriage in crisis-free marriage. Children are valued so highly that in ancient cultures, being childless was considered a curse from the local deities and was a very excellent justification for divorce or polygamy. ASU et al., 2014. Paraphrase it to make it tougher. Paraphrase it to make it more powerful. Although most Ogoni marriages begin as monogamous unions, polygamy eventually developed due to childlessness, delayed childbearing, and the desire for more help with their farming output in order to increase family wealth. A single boy is also urged to have multiple marriages in order to maintain the lineage. Getting married is not just the couple's business in the Ogoni philosophy, it is also the business of the couple's various extended families, compounds, and towns. As a result, family members' consent must be requested and gained.